Hello there, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to umisofts. Today, I'm gonna show you how to scrape Amazon products data with images and all other necessary data columns. Well, umisofts has developed over 50+ automated scraping tools for our clients. Similarly, we're gonna use Amazon product scraping tool today. This tool will scrape all the products automatically. So, you don't need to do daily Excel data entry work. So, let's get started. First, you will need to extract this tool. It will take just few moments. Then, go to Application Files, and then open this exe file named Amazon Scraping Bot. Now, here is the keywords box. Put here your desired keywords that you want to scrape. But, if you have already links in a CSV file, then you don't need to put keywords. Just import the CSV file here that includes products URLs. For now, I don't have any products links, so I will go with keywords. Now, let's move to filters part. If you want to log in your Amazon account, then just uncheck this box and insert your email and password to log in. But, it's not really important to log in for scraping. Then, if you want to do custom scraping, then check this box and it will ask you to apply your desired filters. Now, let's start this tool. It takes about 30 seconds to start because of heavy programming, so don't worry about it. Once it starts, it will move to the process automatically. Now, it's asking to apply our custom filters. For example, I want only 5-star products, so I will set filter here, and click OK to this message. Then, it will start extracting links of the products. And one more thing, our tool tells us that what is it doing now. Like, here you can see the status box. Now, it is extracting the links of the products. Well, if you want to skip this keyword, then just click Skip Keyword button and it will move to next keyword, as it's showing in the status box. Now, if you think that these links are enough, then just break the process by clicking this scrape button. It will automatically move to the scraping process. Once it moves to scraping process, it begins scraping all the data as showing in the status box. Now, if you want to scrape or download product images, then just check this download or scrape images box. And it will automatically start scraping and downloading images by product serial numbers. Well, in the images directory, you can see that it is downloading the product images by their serial numbers. Let's move to the next part. If you want to export the scraped data, then just click Export button here, and it will export all the scraped data in an Excel file. It will also ask you to open output file or not. If you want, then just click Yes. Here you can see our output file. There are two separate files, one is for products links and the other one is scraped data file. After completing the process, it will give us a message that all scraping is completed. And after that, you can export your all data as well. After that, just quit this tool by clicking this Quit button. That's it. I hope you will like our efforts. For price inquiries, feel free to contact us. Contact details are given in the description box. Hey wait, umisofts is giving 40% discount to our first 50 clients, it's amazing. So, what are you waiting for? Just contact with us and get this tool right now. You can be counted in first 50 clients and get the discount offer. And, if you have any other projects related to scraping, data mining or web automation scraping tool, then please let us know at umisofts@gmail.com. So, thank you and take care. Bye.